Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily make your laptop faster. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to make your laptop faster very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. There are 5 quick solutions, and the first one is disable the startup items. And to do that, you have to go to the search bar and search for Task Manager and expand your screen, and now tap on the option called Startup Applications, and here disable the unnecessary application or the programs, and disabling startup items or the application will stop certain program or any specific programs or the program that you have disabled from automatically launching when the computer is opened. This will help to improve boot speed, system performance, and prevent unnecessary background processes. So eventually, it will make your computer run faster. And the second option is to clear the cache from computer. And to do that, you have to open the run dialog box. And to open the run dialog box, enter Window plus R. And now you'll be able to open this type of dialog box. And here, enter clean mgr and tap on enter. And here you have to check all these files to delete and tap on clean up system files. And now tap on OK and tap on delete files. Then you'll be able to free up your space on your hard drive by removing temporary files, system cache, recycle bin contents, old Windows update files, thumbnails, and other non-essential files. It will help to improve system performance and helps to maintain storage health. And now again open the run dialog box and enter temp, T-E-M-P, and tap on enter. And here you have to enter Control plus A and tap on delete and tap on continue. Then you'll be able to delete all the temporary files used by the system, and some of the files will not be deleted, and you don't have to worry about that. Just leave that file there and again go to your home screen and open run dialog box and enter percentage, temp, and again percentage, and tap on enter. And here you have to enter Control plus A and tap on delete, and then you'll be able to delete temporary folder, and it will free up your space and improve performance. And the third solution is to optimize the virtual memory settings, and to do that you have to open the run dialog box, and here you have to enter sysdm.cpl and tap on enter. And here navigate to the advanced tab, and here on the section of performance, tap on settings and select LED Windows. Choose what is best for my computer. And now navigate to the advanced tab. And in the section of virtual memory, tap on the option called change. And here enable the feature called automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And then tap on OK, and then tap on OK, then you'll be able to optimize your virtual memory. And for the fourth solution, you have to update your driver. And to do that, you have to open your device manager and expand your screen. And here, find display adapter. And here, expand the display adapter and do the right click on the driver name and tap on properties and tap on driver. Then you'll be able to see the driver provider, driver date, driver versions. And to update your driver, you have to tap on update driver. And here, if you have downloaded any driver from the manufacturer website, then you can tap on browse my computers for drivers. But if you haven't downloaded any drivers from any manufacturer website, then you can tap on search automatically for drivers. Then you'll be able to update your drivers. The fifth solution is to run malware scan, and to do that you have to open the run dialog box and enter capital MRT and tap on enter and tap on yes. Then you'll be able to see this type of window, and now tap on next and again tap on next. And if you are wondering what is malware scan is, then I'll tell you. A malware scan is the process of checking your system for malicious software, which can be harmful for your computers. It detects and removes harmful software, and it will protect system files and personal data. And it also maintains system speed and stability. So doing the malware scan is very useful. So it will take time, so you have to wait. Now tap on finish. And after doing malware scan, you will be able to make your computer or laptop run faster. At last, let me give you some bonus. And the bonus is you can scan all protected system files and repair corrupted or missing system files using cached copies. And to do that, you have to open the search bar and search for command prompt and run as an administrator. And here you have to type sfc space forward slash and then scan now. And after that, tap on enter. Then it will begin scanning your system files, and if any issues are found, then it will fix them automatically, but it may take some time depending on your system. And after doing this scan, you'll be able to fix your Windows issues like crashes, blue screens, or unexpected behavior. So these are the 5 quick solutions that will make your laptop run faster. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.